So why actually SkillBout is focusing on the tier 3 and tier 2 colleges? So why not tier 1 colleges?
Okay, this one is like that. If you're working in tier 1 college, you call me, I'll come. As I told you, we are not investing in marketing. Right? If someone want to tell that we are here, someone need to tell you, we're not doing it. Right? We don't want to do that also. Right? It's something like this. Like you have a friend, you met me, and you're telling something like that. It's just going with the connections. Right? We will be happy to teach whatever they call it. That is what I want to tell you. And tomorrow someone calls me, okay, you come here over there, I'll come there. Someone calls me from Dubai or US or something, we'll go. We don't have any restriction for that. Right? So coming to here, the only perspective is like we are touching all these things. Coming to here, tier 3 college, you can tell me as I told you before last time. In tier 1 they have many people too, like this. Like they are self-motivated people. I can tell you. Maybe like we are over here because we are in this college because maybe like a financial reason or maybe like lack of discipline purpose. We are over here, stuck over here, something like that. Over there, everyone have cracked it. They are already, like they have a good memory power. By birth, like they are into the God gift, right? For those people don't want any. They know this part. They are self-serving, right? Now, for this one, we need someone for their guidance. But they need it, but they will do extra things.
That's why different type of people are more passionate and some people are like.
There are. Okay, there are. For some circumstances, they are stuck with it. I met many people like this. They, when I heard the question from them, I was like wondering, wow, this is interesting. I never expected. They cross their expectations, right? When I, like as I told you, anyone can teach 82 from 18. Anyone can make them to reach 90, 95. They think that they are effort. No, they themselves they are doing it. Right? But like this 30% guy is getting to 70 or 80, you feel really happy. It's a gradual change. That is what we feel. Like when we interact with this person, when one who don't know anything, this is a challenge for us. Today we'll make sure that you're all these days you're thinking nothing. You make sure that you're something. Then you will do that. That spark is there. Will ignite it.
So we are saying that tier 3 colleges, okay, we are helping the tier 3 colleges. So some people in the tier 3 colleges are actually facing like financial situations.
Right.
They don't have money to buy the course actually.
Right.
For those people, for those students, how this will work?
Right. For those, what we are doing is we have certain things. Look, as I told you, YouTube video we have uploaded like that. You're not charging anything. Just go. You have to go there. If you're really passionate, that person will go over there. They'll watch it. We'll tell them. Go and answer. No problem. If you have any queries, we'll touch with us. Come on. We have taught many of them for free also. It's not like that, okay, we are not it. If the person is interested, if he's really giving from 100% and he don't have money, we can do this. I'll make sure that everything is done. We are not expecting it. We charge them for the sake of to run the company, we charge it. Not the company to run it, we charge it also, right? Now one is not paying the fees, what we need to do? We cannot hey, you pay the fees, man. We cannot do that. We know the thing. But like somewhere around the line, if you get a job, from there, like one day he feels okay, we need to pay back now. Come and pay. Right? We don't privilege it. You pay. Either you can pay in time also. Right? I had one idea before, right? I had this. I wanted to implement this one also. Either you pay in time or in money. If you don't have money, pay in time. Look, if I give it in free, it is not worth for it. They were like, this is free, we'll ignore it. For example, their priority changes. For example, I'm telling you, I will take a free class now, free session now. We've done this also. We will do a free session. First day there will be 100, next day will be 50, next day will be 25, next 10, next 3 only. Why? Because something will come. Sir, brother's marriage, sir. Sir, sister's marriage, sir. So that, sir, this, sir. Right? They will change their priority. Why? Because it is coming to free. For example, you take it down. You take it on 8,000 food and you take it on 1 lakh food. Tell me which one you will take care more? 1 lakh food. Right? If 8,000 phone falls on, you're like, it will happen. 1 lakh phone, heart attack will come. You take care. You will take, side cover, everything. You will pay polish. When you keep the phone itself, you will take the conscious mind. You will keep it. You will not throw like this. You are taking care about it, right? Because it's a priority. You will say, this is in the hand. Just don't throw it randomly. right? Once you pay high, quality comes from it, and you feel it more. Dil se padenge. I have given money now. I want to ask the question. You'll ask it. If I haven't given, I didn't give money, no. Oh, how to ask the question now? You will stop yourself. Right? When you pay income, no, you will really, I have given money now. You sit, I'm asking question. You have all. Even they have also. But that from inside they will not come. They feel like, oh, what will they think? What will they think? What will they think? Right? Now one is giving, like money and coming, they have the confidence. I need to take it. Even if I don't take tomorrow class, they will tell, hey, come here, take class. Right? It's priority. They have changed their priority. Because they have invested over there. Hard and money. That is what it is. Really want to, you have a YouTube video over there. Think you have it. Or if you want a guidance, we will help you talk. We're coming on the platform also. Maybe like the minimal amount will do the videos directly. Look, we cannot give the person time. If we are taking one person and we are investing on 100 things, live person, we need to pay them. You will work for free. And I'm telling you, you don't work for free. If you're good in something, get a paid for it. You have all rights. Right? And if I get one person, they will not work for free. They have some expectations. They fulfill them. Right? Now we are planning something like this. We record the video, we'll put it on video. Right? We'll get to the minimal rate, 100 tips, 200 tips, 300 tips, we'll give it on video.
If you say famous, the people will think something like there is no quality for that.
There is no quality. We have tried it. Long but we have tried it. Me and my partner told it, let's do one thing. Let's start a free batch. Every month, 15 days, we'll run it. We'll give our 1 hour. It went well actually. It went well. But there's a gradually something changes. Sometimes, like feel it of the marketing thing, that is everything. Somewhere around there, you don't feel that, we are doing some marketing thing. I want to get a connect like that who's actually really interested. Sir, I want to do this, sir. I want to learn programming, sir. I will give a date night, sir. You teach me programming, sir. Those person. Sir, I don't know anything, sir. I'm ready to give my time. Right now, I have my time, sir. I'm ready to give my time, sir. Sir, so much money I have it, sir. Maybe like later in the say, sir, if it is so, sir, I will give it, sir. The only one thing is, this person's life is changed. And trust me, whoever came to SkillBout, there is no one is poor. If you are rich now, you are richer than me. Knowledge also, finance also. Everything. They are well settled. They are well settled. Even if they are doing programming, if they are not doing it, they know the things. That is what it is. They know how to deal with this. And one who is programming, they are getting the heights. They are doing good in the companies. Somewhere on the line, something is helping. Not now. You will learn all those things. We don't know when it will be fruitful. Right? Maybe like from by birth you are learning so many things. You don't know this situation when you will come in life. You take that and you say, this one I have done it before. You just have it.
If you are helping you today, means they will maybe help you.
It's just like a give and take it. So that is what it is. If we, we have that thing, or everyone have that mindset that we need to, have money that's a standard which we maintain it. And if we are thinking that we need to reach pan-India, means even, if I don't pay the rent for a, monthly, like one day I cross it, the calls will come 100 times. Hey, the money you didn't pay, right? You need to pay all these things. But this everything we need to chance, right? So that is where the thing. Somehow, like we are running on to it. We believe ourselves and we believe our audience. Whoever comes, we make sure that they are into it. They learn from the heart. And they convince to their own perspective. And that is what we believe. So, everyone are connected with this. Each time when I spend 15 days in one college or something like that, we are connected. At the end, even I feel now, I want to go now. Starting 3 days, I was like, where I came. I feel this one. And after when I leave, because I'm like, oh, it's good. But this going is for some reason. We are meeting again new people. That is what I believe. That is how I'm motivated. I'm going for some reason. I cannot settle down here. You go to the next place now. Over there, 3 days. Are you very lucky? Again, next after spending 15 days, say I want to go. like that, right? Something like this. So That's the only thing. Like you spend time with us, you get richer. That's what it is. Even with the knowledge also, even with the money also. Right? Now once you get the knowledge from us, you can teach anyone. Right? In your future, you have a cousin, you have a brother, you have anyone, you can teach anyone. Right? Because you know, when you teach it, when you tell the concept, they will ask from where you got this concept. That level you will teach it. Right? We do something called presentation skills. We do something like this. Once we're done with that, whatever the concept we have done, we tell them to explain the same one. How we have done it. The same example like this. This is repeated for 4 times. Right? And that concept is quite important. What happens is when if the client comes, they can explain beautifully any concept. When you go for the interview, you can explain for them. Hey, come here, I'll tell you how to do. I heard with many people texting me, right? Sir, today I went to interview, sir. I thought the interviewer came, sir. They learned from me, sir. We were like, wow, nice. And few of them got selected just for the like small code, swapping program. And the swapping video, you have it, right? Like you have a number of swapping things, right? Just by selling that. One guy went with a data science, he didn't get selected. He was written data science, certification, that is everything. He didn't get selected. He just wrote a swapping program, he got selected. Like, say it. That's what I tell you. Do the things in different order. There are things. Do it in different order. Why you? It will be highlighted. That is what I think.